Big radioactive lizard, not realistic, or at least not the one that's in the movie.
I always tell people that the most realistic part of Godzilla is the blue light that comes out of his radioactive beams. If you ever look at nuclear reactors, they're always glowing blue in the water. That's Cherenkov radiation. While in water, radiation emits photons and bounces off things, and it creates a blue light. That's the big thing about Shin Godzilla, is that his breath wouldn't be purple, it would still be blue. He would have to have some sort of metal bones to even support his body weight. Penguins are very good swimmers, and they also stand on 2 legs. That's why I drew him like a penguin. Godzilla would never walk, he would waddle. If Godzilla was about the size of a whale because of abyssal gigantism, then his penguin-like body, if he could even get up, would be able to stand at about 70 feet. Now, the more interesting part is how he would eat. There's this thing called a gut microbiome. We all have it. It helps us digest stuff. Some animals even digest poison. There's plenty of animals that absorb radiation like light and turn it into energy. For example, there's a species of salamander with yellow spots on it, and in these spots, as a juvenile, it has absorbed photosynthetic bacteria. Imagine something very similar. You would need a pretty specialized gut bacteria. Godzilla would consume nuclear radiation through something called radiosynthesis. There is a fungus that many people know about in Chernobyl that has absorbed the gamma radiation of this nuclear fallout site. But how did a dinosaur evolve to absorb nuclear radiation? There wasn't any Hiroshimas back then. Natural nuclear reactors within the Earth were giant uranium deposits that would boil water within the soil for hundreds of thousands of years. Maybe a stomach full of gut bacteria would help Godzillas survive within radioactive environments.